Hi everyone, this is Daryl, Curated expert, back again, and this time I'm reviewing the Cochise 106 and a 177 from Blizzard. Shout out to Pal Mal, thank you so much for having us. I'm so excited to be here. I love this place. It is one of my favorite places on earth, in fact. Love you guys. I am not sponsored by Blizzard or being compensated in any way for this review, so this is just my unbiased opinion on skiing these babies in these slushy conditions today. So the brand claims that this is just gonna be a really fun, hard charging ski for daily driving. I was really surprised when I got on this ski. This ski has a ton of energy turn to turn. It loves to charge, it loves to go fast, and I had a really great time on it.
Oh, these things rip. I had a great time first run. Wow, very impressed. Was not expecting this ski to have as much energy as it has turn to turn.
Don't forget, if you want some help finding the right skis for you, feel free to click the link below and get connected to a Curated expert. We're happy to help you find the right skis for you at any point. Definitely did not chatter at all, no matter how fast I was going. The couple things I will say about this is, first of all, reiterate that this is not a ski for a beginner. This is not a ski for an intermediate. This is a ski for a strong skier who's very comfortable being forward on their ski and driving it. The ski is not gonna respond to you sitting in the back seat or being on your tails at all, or just being a little bit more timid. It does need you to tell it where you want it to go. So yeah, expert skiers, check this one out. Definitely very fun ski. If you are not a strong skier, the ski is going to be very difficult for you to control. With that being said, if you are an ex-racer or someone who's super confident when they're skiing, this is going to be a really responsive ski for you, and it's going to really respond well to you driving it and you throwing it sideways. These would be a really great ski for skiing in the trees, something more wide open. They're definitely more nimble than I thought they were going to be, but they're not going to be ideal for like East Coast trees that are super tight. This is going to be a great all-mountain option for someone who's skiing in an area that gets more snowfall, like Utah, Colorado, Pacific Northwest. This is a very strong ski, so it's going to do really well in adverse conditions. It's going to cut through crud well, going to do great in the Pacific Northwest. I really had a fun time on it here in Utah today, and I was skiing a mix of ice and slush, 2 inches of slush, so very versatile ski, definitely more versatile than I was expecting. If you like this video, click the subscribe button below and feel free to reach out to me on Curated if you want any help figuring out what skis are right for you.